question set
Hello there
49
and
තමයි අද අපි
welcome
කතා
back to
කරන්න
the
බලාපොරොත්තු
DBMS
වෙන්නේ.
video series.
මේකදී
In
අපිට
this
කියලා
video we are
තියෙන්නේ
going to discuss
අපේ
about the
කම්පියුටර් එක
question set
virus එකක් ගිහලා
49.
තියෙනවලු. ඒක නිසා
So the
software
main
එක අයින් කරන්න
objective
සිද්ධ
of
වෙලා
this
තියෙනවලු.
question is
ඒ
to make
වගේම
a
ඒක
backup
නිසා
of
අපිට අපේ
our
database එකේ
database.
backup එකක් ගන්න
So
ඕන වෙලා තියෙනවලු.
let's
ඒකට
jump
තෝරගෙන
right
තියෙන්නේ
into
අපි
the
ඔය ගැන
query.
හිතන්න කියලා.
So now I have opened the command line interface to back up our database by using a command. So it's very easy and straightforward. So first I am navigating to the mySQL server bin folder, and then from there I'm going to run the mySQL server. And I am typing in my username as root, and then I'm not typing my password. I'm typing my password as well, and I'm selecting the school database. I didn't type my password, so it will request for my password, so I will type it in the next line. So yes, we have selected our username, and then we have selected the database, and then we have given the path to where we want our file to be backed up. Once we click enter, we will have to enter the password. So I'm entering my super secret password, and then our backup has been created successfully. So now let's have a look at the file which has been saved, and yes, we have given the path, and now you can see that it has backed up successfully into the specific folder which we had mentioned. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the last and final video.